Inheritance laws have always been a crucial part of human societies, shaping family dynamics and financial distributions. Today, we explore the fascinating philosophy of inheritance in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. In Islam, inheritance laws are derived from the Quran and Hadith. The rules are detailed and ensure a fair distribution among family members. For example, daughters receive one half of what the sons receive, and wives typically receive 1/4 of the inheritance. In Christianity, specific inheritance laws are not dictated by the Bible. However, many Christian societies have developed their own traditions over time. For instance, historically in some Christian communities, the eldest son would inherit the bulk of the property, a practice known as primogeniture. In Judaism, inheritance laws are primarily based on the Torah. These laws emphasize passing property to the next generation while maintaining family integrity. An example is the principle of Bikora, where the firstborn son receives a double portion of the inheritance. Let's compare these three approaches. While there are significant differences, each tradition aims to ensure fairness and support for family members. For instance, Islamic inheritance laws specify exact shares to prevent disputes, while Judaic laws maintain family legacies, and Christian societies have adapted various practices over time to suit their cultural contexts. Thank you for exploring this comparative study with us. If you found this exploration insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Unity and understanding among different cultures and religions are essential for a harmonious society.